have people who have crisis situations, who get kicked out of home or whatever, who have a row, you know, and fall out with their family and are urgently in need of homes. We'll still have people with serious addiction problems who maybe, you know, don't want to go into a hostel, don't want to go anywhere, who will prefer to be in the street. Now those people need intensive support, and we have to focus on them as well. But it is an ambitious target, but I'm very determined because it's one of the issues that I said I would prioritise. I don't think any civilised society should have people in the kind of numbers we have at the moment out in the streets, particularly in our capital city where it's a real problem.
And if 2016 comes and government doesn't meet this promise, can you expect the electorate to have confidence in the government?
I will hold my hands up and I will, you know, take responsibility. I think we're elected to take responsibility. It would be very easy not to set a target, but I think setting targets means that you focus on the goal. I think it makes everyone realise that, you know, this is an urgent issue. We have to work really hard on it. I won't solve it on my own. I've got to work with the voluntary sector. I've got to work with the HSE. I've got to work with others. But, you know, I think by setting a target, you do to some extent put your neck on the block, but you do also indicate that you intend to do something about this, and you do, if you like, put the pressure on yourself and others to achieve the goal.
Mm.